The market for electric vehicles, EVs, has grown at an extraordinary pace in just a few years, and they're set to define the future of the automotive industry. A great deal of this growth is being pushed by governments, which continue to introduce regulations and incentives designed to accelerate the shift from petrol and diesel-powered vehicles to electric-powered ones. It is government-backed subsidies, grants for vans, tax breaks and other offerings that have really helped to speed up the transition to EV fleets among commercial operators. Electric vehicle telematics is a clever tech solution that helps fleet managers continuously gather data about their vehicles by using a combination of GPS, telecommunications, onboard diagnostics, vehicle technologies, and the Internet of Things, IoT. Telematics is a solution that has helped to manage petrol and diesel-powered fleets for decades, and it has the potential to be just as powerful, if not more powerful, when deployed in an electrified fleet. The key benefits of using an electric vehicle telematics solution within your fleet include: 1. Receive vehicle health updates. EV telematics systems, such as those offered by Trakm8, are integrated right into the heart of your fleet vehicles. Once deployed, easily installed hardware keeps track of vehicle metrics and components, so that it can provide fleet managers with an insight into vehicle health. 2. Efficient route planning. Trakm8's non-EV and EV platform, Insight, can be used to quickly and easily plan routes based on factors such as battery capacity, available drive time, and proximity to charging infrastructure, thus helping to ensure that the drivers won't run out of charge mid-route. 3. Monitor driver behaviour. EV telematics systems like Trakm8 gather data about fleet vehicles and provide fleet managers with a real-time look at how drivers are behaving behind the wheel. Data gathered can include routes taken, average speed, total distance travelled, driving time, and instances such as speeding and harsh braking. This level of insight provides you with a chance to improve inefficient driving and reduce accidents. Educating drivers to drive more efficiently will lower the impact on the battery, leading to improved vehicle range. 4. Create charging schedules and alerts. EV telematics solutions like Trakm8 use real-time data to help fleet managers plan charging priorities based on schedules and routes. They also help drivers to keep their vehicles suitably charged by alerting them with battery warnings and selecting the best routes based on real-time charge levels. 5. Get accurate charge costs. Factors that can affect the cost of recharging an EV include weather conditions, vehicle model, agreements with infrastructure operators, and even the time of day. These can make recharging either cheaper or more expensive, and the right EV telematics solution like Trakm8 can provide fleet managers with accurate charging costs based on these factors. At Trakm8, we're the leaders in fleet tracking and fleet telematics technology. We help our customers to monitor their EVs in real time and from anywhere to deliver significant leaps in operational efficiency and cost savings across the board. Talk to us today to learn how our innovative electric vehicle telematics technology can help you.